All right, so it finally came in. Thanks to OMTECH, I've been troubleshooting an issue that I had with laser. They sent me a new power supply because this was the problem. When I pressed the power button to turn it on, it wouldn't fully turn on yet. Well, it's not even doing anything. Until I would actually put some heat. You can start seeing it, the LCD screen starting to flicker. Some of the lights starting to flicker. And now the machine turned on. So we were going back and forth doing some troubleshooting and everything, and so they determined that this was the issue. I suspected it was, but after checking voltages and whatnot from various places, they also decided that it was the same thing, the same problem. So hopefully this fixes it. I'm sure it will. But thanks, OMTECH. So I just replace the power supply. We're gonna see if it works. Turn the chiller on, get the water flowing, and hopefully it'll start right up this time. Okay, everything's good there. There it is. That was the problem. Thanks again, OMTECH.